Alright guys, we're on the way to go pick up a 1988 Procraft. They say they only want $300, but they said the motor's falling off. I'm like, what do you mean the motor's falling off? Hey Bay, you want to say hi?
Leave me alone.
What?
Leave me alone.
Alright guys, she don't want to say hi. She's I don't know what she's scared for. But we'll be back in a second. Alright guys, we're getting close to this guy's house. He's gonna open the gate for me right now. So I'll let you guys see when we pull up to the boat. Okay. I don't think it's that house. Alright guys, we're almost here. The guy told me to go down this path, and he owns all this property, you believe that? And he said look to the right, the boat would be here. And he told me to go look at it and let him know what's going on. But I think, oh babe, we passed it, hold on. It's right there. Did you see it? I think it's right there.
Okay.
Oh. I think I see it. It looks good from here. Do you guys see it? We're going to right now. Look at all this property this guy has. Ooh. Yeah, there's the boat, guys. Slow down, babe. Yeah, I see the boat. There you guys see it? I already see a problem. You see that transom, guys? Ooh. But it's clean for out here in the woods, but I think I see a problem, guys. Let's go take a look. I mean, the boat looks pretty good to be out here. What? I mean, look at that transom. Ooh. I mean, this is what you get for $300. You think it cranks? It's cranking, guys. I'll see if I get it started when I get back to the shop. Nothing yet. I guess I'm gonna get it if it starts. I mean, I know this transom's pretty bad, but see that lower? They kept it in the water. I'm gonna talk to the owner. I'll be right back. I got it for $300, so now we're hooking it up now. All right, guys, we got it. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? We're going to the shop now. All right, guys, there's some good things about this. Some bad. Good. Transom's a little rough, and you know, the lower unit is a little corroded, but we have one good thing. It started, so we're pulling up now to the shop. So we'll let you know how it is. Let's see if we can get it started. Ooh, look at those motors. All right, we just got back, and I mean, whew, call this a bad transom or what? We're gonna put on the hose right now. Let's see. And I don't even think this is a Johnson, because according to the model serial number, this is a 60-degree Evinrude. So, whew, I don't know. We'll see if it runs. Let's pull this cowling off. All right, let's see underneath the cowling. I mean, guys, it doesn't look like that, but it looks pretty good. We got the flush hose. I mean, underneath the cowling looks way better than how it looks. I'm gonna see if it starts. I'm gonna get the hose. Well, here we go. Crank it.